Radiance is petting the horse. Look at that big fella. Hey, big guy. Look at the big guy. And these are the billy goats. Billy goats. How cute. Hey, don't lean on that, baby, because you be the made it fall, okay, honey? Be careful. Don't want it to fall. Oh, look at those two knocking their heads together.
No, they're fighting.
Oh. Oh, they're fighting, she said. Looks like a cute little play fight. And look at him jumping up out of there almost. You like it? And then we're going to sanitize once we're finished. Woo! It smells like a little poopy over here. Okay. Now it's time for a little balloons art. Go Radiance! Ooh, wee! Almost. Got to be more careful. Oh, almost.
What you trying to get that?
Oh. Go Radiance! Uh-oh, help her! Somebody help her! Thank you, sir. Ro, get over there and help her a little bit. There you go. Oh, there you go. Good job, baby. It's time to get some snacks. Ooh, these donuts look so yummy. And then they have some big, beautiful apples.